On this video we will see how the standard quotation scenario works in out-of-the-box Virto Commerce implementation. So we now log in to the web shop, so let's add a product to the quote. So we go to the product records, we click add to quote, system creates a quote and add the product to it. So now in the backend we can see that the quote was created. The quote is created at the moment when we add a product to it. So now we submit in a quote, and in the account record we can see that we have a list of quotes there, and we can check details if required. So now in the backend we see that our quote changed the status. Now it's some other status. Inside the quote you can see that we can manage its parameters. When finished, we change the status to proposal sent. At this moment in the front end, the customer can make a decision about the quote. So we reload the page, and since the status of the quote is changed, we get the opportunity to confirm and check out with the selected option. Checkout actually is the same as order creation. So inside the Virto Commerce we create an order based on the quote. So we go through all the steps required for a normal checkout. So finally we have created an order that is based on the quote that we have accepted. And in the backend the quote status is changed for ordered.